Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Play Books on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed the Google Play Books on your Android phone. And after you install the application, you just need to open it. And after you open the Google Play, you will be able to read a lot of books right here, and this is the homepage, and you can scroll down to explore more books. And if you want to find a book that you want to read, you just need to click on search button right here. And as you can see guys, that we have to purchase the book to read it, but don't worry, because there are still a lot of books that we can read it for free. We just need to go to shop option right here, and you can click on free, and there will be a list of the books that we can read it for free. And we can slide our screen like this, and we can also explore more genres. We just need to click on see all genres right here, then select the genre that you like. And for example, I'm going to select education genre, so just tap on it. And if you want to filter the list, you just need to click on filter right here. And if we want to read the free book, we just need to filter the price. So we can click on price option, then we can set the price until 0. All right. Okay, and this is the list of the book that we can read it for free. And for example, I'm going to read this book, so we just need to tap on the book like this, and we can click on get for free, then wait for a moment. Okay, and we can click on read, then after that we can click on download now right here. Okay, and right after we download the book, we can read the book. We just need to slide our screen to move to the next page. Alright guys, and that's how we can use Google Play Books on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.